Hello everyone, my name is Hope Ruddle and I'm a senior from Waynesboro, Tennessee, majoring in exercise science and wellness. The Office of Student Accounts is responsible for accepting payments, billing, refunds, and collections. The office is located in 245 Bibb Graves Hall. The payment deadline for this fall is August 24th, and you can pay your account balance by mail, at the cashier's window in Bibb Graves, or online, which is our most used method. To pay online, all you need to do is log into your MyJSU and select the View Account Make Payment tab. One great service that the Office of Student Accounts offers is the option of payment plans, which can be set up through the office for a $50 installation fee. Plans can be set up as 3 or 4 equal installments based on how early you apply, and the first payment should be made on the payment deadline of August 24th. For someone, such as a guardian, to be allowed to speak to the office regarding account matters, you'll have to fill out the proxy. There's a step-by-step to this process located on the JSU Registrar's webpage. To access the proxy feature, log into your MyJSU account, select the self-service banner, and click the tab titled Proxy Access. Select Proxy Management and Add Proxy to fill out the document.